This is the best Korean fried chicken sandwich I've ever made.
And the best I've ever tasted. Actually, why are we talking like this?
Because you're always talking like this in your videos.
But this is your video.
Also can, yeah. Do you cook?
No, because I'm not John.
What's your favorite food to eat?
Curry chicken. What's yours?
Chicken curry.
John, why do you enjoy cooking?
I like to feed people.
Wow.
If you are a fellow foodie, please subscribe to the Meatmen channel. And if you love ASMR, please go to Dong's channel.
Change expression.